Shanghai, Beijing. Currently on the high-speed train traveling on the Shanghai-Nanjing line. Got it, from Nanjing to Shanghai. Okay, what do you see here? Changzhou Station on one side, Wuxi Station on the other, and Shanghai Station ahead. The stop is slightly earlier, not connected to Beijing and Shanghai. No diversions, just a straight line. Stopping here momentarily, watch carefully. First stop, second stop, third stop. What are you doing? Let's go Shanghai, Beijing. Got it. One wide, one closed. Understand, this is good. You require stability at the critical moment. Stay steady when executing the stroke. It's challenging, so you need to be consistent. But if the ball is here, not at a wide angle. Strictly speaking, this area is known as the baseline, and this is the midline, correct, a wide angle. I remained honest and turned at that angle. Got it, easy, isn't it? Watch out for an unstable stance. Simple yet crucial principle, come on. I'll throw a punch at you. If you don't defend, will one punch be enough to knock you down? I'll push you, come on, resist me. Are you applying force, legs, body, right? This is how you resist me. Is the ball I send over fast and forceful? Keep your legs and body firm. I won't just topple you when I bring you in. Let me push you again. What will you do? Why are you resisting? Fight me with all your strength. Is this the principle? The ball is the same. It's just multiple balls, right? Should I push you directly or use this ball to push you? You decide, is it the same? Right, I'm using the ball to push you. You want to challenge me. When I pushed you just now, you didn't resist. What did you do? Did you lean on my hand? Come on, resist me. Are you using your body to resist me? Yes. I provided power for you, is that what you meant? Understand? Turn around and counter me, right? Yes, when you resist me with your hands, what is the foundation? It's your center of gravity and body, isn't that the core? You need to resist me. Right, when I lead you, you haven't done anything yet. Your legs are loose, your core is loose. How will you resist me? Yes. Yes. Do I need to block to fake a shot? Right. Then I can execute different fake shots. Variety of fake shots. Correct. This is the underspin side. When hitting the outer side middle, the fake action becomes flat. Do you understand? In fact, this is the topspin side. Actually, this is the underspin side. Cut underneath after slicing. Perform the fake action in one motion. You didn't block at all. What other options do you have? Unable to do it. Correct. I need to block. Block. Should I follow the ball? Just block to the side. Correct. This is towards the side. Should I follow the ball? No need. All right. Incorporate a feint. I think I just feel that. You should give it a try. You can switch between new and old habits. Yes, yes, this is related to brushing. If you have control, you can do it. Brush straight in a normal manner. Perform the brushing technique normally. This movement structure is more stable. The impact of the ball hitting me. Simply toss when holding the index finger. What is the purpose of these three? These three are used for looping the ball. Today I loop like this. Just when the ball doesn't reach you. A hit can easily alter the ball's shape. There's a different situation. This game is starting to feel a bit exhausting. These actions are quite demanding. I haven't put in any wasted effort. Do you want to practice your recovery? Done. Did you notice? Shift your weight to the left foot and you can smoothly bounce back. Is this what we call a small bounce? It's feedback for you. Utilize the reactive force from this feedback to bounce back smoothly. It involves repeating the recovery steps and preparing for the next move. Correct. Is this finished now? Once you block, relax instantly. Can you feel it? Feel the pause, stop with the foot, observe my pause. Why pause? Pause due to center of gravity. Transfer the center of gravity from the right foot, push turn, finally to the left foot smoothly. It needs to adjust smoothly, so when it reaches the left foot, the foot also pauses. In fact, your power has already reached the ball, you need to block in time. Give it a try, timely blocking will make ball control easier. Understand, blocking in time makes it more controllable. Yes, it's done, the foot has stopped. Why continue swinging with the hand, right? Easy, shift your weight to the left foot to stop. To master the sidestep stop, engage your core, tighten up, then come to a stop. When the core tightens and the sidestep stops, grip the racket with your index finger and thumb, pull in and block instantly. Done. Do you want to continue looping? When filming, remember to keep your arms relaxed. Coaches often stress this. The force in the fingers propels the power in the forearms, leading to a strong finish, correct. The power should be swift, while the force from the upper arm is for control. If your upper arm is loose and not exerting force, the more force you apply in the forearms, the more unstable your entire arm will become, right? The upper arm controls, and the forearms provide the power. The upper arm controls the force, otherwise I would need to record for a month. Well done, excellent, precise, and graceful movements. Click, you can see for yourself, right? Excellent, good job. Yes, you see, you've become more daring. Why are you more daring? A skilled person is bold, you're doing great. Pause for a moment. Stay still. Feeling a bit tense? This is a training session emphasizing one-sided technique, a transition fade, leading to numerous variations. What else? Alterations in the shot spin. Some shots lack spin, correct. Some feature a topspin trajectory, right? All right. If we combine it with the landing spot, it creates a complex variation. Why is the ball challenging? It's not merely a single modification. Focus on the landing spot and rhythm. By combining these elements, you can create various techniques. Agree. Combine them to create variations. This is where the challenge lies. Single variations are straightforward, isn't it? To simplify, these principles apply to both badminton and tennis. Correct. Here's another point. They encompass a broad spectrum of techniques. However, table tennis operates within a very confined space. What does this limitation suggest? Opportunities for surprises. Microspin, correct. Why is this challenging for tennis and badminton? Pickleball is easy to learn, correct. Even beginners can give it a shot. Get involved, everyone joins in. For those completely new to it, they step onto the court, unable to start a rally. It doesn't work out, correct. Why? The court is too small, the ball moves too fast, too precise, correct. So it's challenging. Even kids unfamiliar with badminton can play and enjoy.